What is up, guys? A long time no video. Yeah, sorry about the lack of videos lately. We finally did the move from Florida to North Carolina here, and to say we were busy is an understatement. We did get out here and there, but yeah, I didn't get it on film. It was a couple short rides and stuff like that just to keep the bike active, but yeah, we're back out and about, and we should get some good videos coming for you shortly. You guys that follow the channel know John Boy and Joseph. Well, Joseph's still down in Florida, but John Boy is kind of a snowbird, and he is up in Georgia, and he's about an hour from us. So we're going to be doing a lot of good rides with him too, so they should be good videos. Well, today we're in Murphy, North Carolina, and we're heading to a little bar called the Thirsty Turtle. It is on 294. So sit back, enjoy the ride. I know some of you know I'm a musician. I have my own channel on YouTube also. It is called Vibetown Band. I write all the music, produce it, play all the instruments, and you can find it on Spotify, Pandora, stuff like that. But if you want to go over there and hit subscribe, you'd be helping me out too. So I'm going to put some of that music just to the background while we're cruising around. And yeah, ride along, man. All right, slight deviation. We're going to head down 294 and hit a place in Turtletown called JJ's. Never been there, heard about it last weekend, and we're going to go check it out. And then we'll hit Thirsty Turtle after that, and then we'll see where that takes us. Alright, let's wing it in here. Here, I'll go in and just pull over in front of me, if you want to. Oh yeah, you're good. Coolio. So this is JJ's in Copper Hill, Tennessee. Cool little spot. It's Sunday instead. It's weird. There's bikes everywhere.
Happening here today in about 20 minutes. The Iranian ambassador is reportedly calling on the Security Council to hold.
And we got the old keg urinals here. Kind of makes me wonder what they're serving behind the bar for beer. Maybe I should have stuck to whiskey on this trip. All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here and hit the road. All right, guys, we're heading out. So be sure to stop into JJ's in Copper Hill, Tennessee, and come see Brittany. She'll take care of you.